watching my woodpecker over here on the feeder. I think it's a little bit of snow falling from the sky. Is that right? Well, good morning, Kentucky. I'm missing that global warming. But this is the way it is every year, so I guess I'll take it. Got my hot coffee to keep me experimenting with mic placement tonight, because my overalls go swish, swish, swish. You make a lot of noise, so we're going to see how sticking to the side of my hat does for me. Boy, it's sloppy out here. Sloppy, woppy, sloppy, loppy, 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 sloppy doo. How y'all doing today? Everybody have a good Thanksgiving? I had a pretty good Thanksgiving. Got to the point to where they're like, I wish all these people would leave. And they did. And I went to bed early and slept in. Get after it, big girl. Everybody did come up here, didn't they? I thought I saw everybody. Or was Little Jim being Little Jim? Yep, sure enough. Little Jim's out dallying. Nah, I'm not worried about him. He's about. You moo cows have a good morning, all right? Yeah, there's Little Jim. He just hollered at him. They all hollered back. Ooh, we got windy last night. It gets windy every night. It blew the little mini chicken run over. Good morning, chicken. Good morning, chicken. Oh, snapperoonie. That's a little bit frozen, you know. Oh, I'm gonna get y'all some fresh food and water, chickies. How about that? I had demolished the food I left for them last night. I wonder why that one didn't freeze. Here you go, chickies. There's some water. I'll be back with some fresh food. Go. We love those chickies. All right, come out and check out the chicken shack, the materials shed.
This is a scooper of the start and feed. And a scoop. This says start and feed as well, but it's non-medicated, so a scoop of the medicated start and feed, a scoop of the irregular. Just a couple of pepper spin.
Let us go take the chicken some feed. Chicky feed, chicky feed, chicky, 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 chicky feed. Yeah, some of the grandkids, I guess, great grandkids yesterday wanted to bring the leftover lettuce to the chickens. And as you can tell, obviously the chickens love it. All right, here's some little feed for you. There we go. Get after it, chickies.